Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am building a workbench. As y'all can see, I'm in my garage, which is where I do most of my building. If I'm building like some woodworking or doing something like that. Now, I usually build everything on the ground, but y'all, my body cannot handle that anymore. I get really extremely sore when I build, and it's just uncomfortable to build squatting down constantly. And I have a really couple of big builds coming up, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna build me a workbench. I looked on Pinterest online and just wanted something simple to build, so I'm gonna build one. It's about it's a 4x8, like a sheet of plywood, and it's gonna have a little bit of shelf storage so I can put my saws on there and store those so they won't be in the way. And let's get started. I'm using mostly 2x4s and a sheet of 2 sheets of MDF for this entire build. So it's very inexpensive. For this entire build, I bought 12 2x4s and 2 sheets of MDF, which is a 1/2 inch. They didn't have 3/4 of an inch, so I just ended up getting a 1/2 inch sheet of MDF, and it was a 4x8 sheet. So if you have the option to get a 3x4, definitely get that, but that's just what the option was for me. Okay guys, I will be switching to voiceover for most of this video. I'm starting off with building the legs, which are 2x4s that I cut down to the length that I needed. And I will put the plans that I use in the description box. So if you are looking to build this, I found some plans on Pinterest and just kind of went off of that. So they are in the description box. Now I am just screwing them together with 2.5 inch screws. And that's all, and these will serve as the legs for the table. Now I'm going in and building the top, which will hold my MDF on there. So you need 2 of these. One will be slightly smaller, so make sure you look at the plans and adjust those measurements. They are 2x4s. I'm doing the exact same thing. I'm just screwing them together with the screws, and this will hold good. Now if you want just a little bit more security, you could add wood glue. I personally did not add wood glue to this build, and it's very secure. So if you just want that extra security, you definitely can do so. So I have mostly of the frame built. Y'all can see it behind me. I'm gonna go ahead and do another one. It's just gonna be a little bit smaller, and I'll provide those dimensions a little bit in the video. So take a screenshot, or they'll be in the description box. So make sure you check out for that. But I'm gonna just build another one, same exact way, just a little bit smaller. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. All the pieces cut down. So let's go ahead and build that one, and then we can start assembling everything together. So now that I have my individual pieces put together, I'm going to start adding on my legs to the framing, and all you do is screw those together onto the corners, and they will hold pretty good. Once you have those put together, you're going to add your MDF pieces onto the top. So now I'm going to bring out that other piece of my framing, and I'm going to flip the table over to add it on to the bottom. So this will actually be the top of my table, and you just flip it over so it'll make it easier to screw on, so nobody will try to have to hold it in place while you're screwing it on. Okay, y'all, so my wheels are here, and I'm gonna go ahead and add on these supports. I probably should have just nailed these on. It would have been so much easier. And here is the end result of my table, guys. I love this. It has so much storage for me to build now, and now I can build more comfortably without having to squat down each time I build. So I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.